Good friend's going to say a few words.
All right.
To the massive fan club.
Hello, internet. So we're actually in Manchester Market Street today, and as you can see, the weather is not the greatest, but we've stuck it out so far. We're going to go have a coffee and then maybe make some more noise for you guys. So we'll see.
That's wonderful. That's good enough for me. And there's a partner in crime. Yay! See you later. Well, look who we have here.
Churches that I've ever seen. Yes, if you said so, and hand up hammer things and go. Oh, no, but don't you treat me so mean? You're the meanest woman I've ever seen. Yes, if you said so, and hand up hammer things and go. Hit the road, Jack. I said hit the road, Jack. I said hit the road, Jack. Thank you.